The forex industry is definitely a very dark place than most people think. Because what you see on social media, you see profit, you see lifestyle, you see clean analysis, you see people posting their wins back to back, back to back. But that's just like it's fake. Don't believe what you see on the internet. So in the forex industry, recently I heard a story of someone that started trading, was trading on demo accounts, growing the account bit by bit. Then the next thing you know, he took a loan from someone close to him, like a friend or family member. Don't know which one exactly, but he took a loan of about 40 million naira. Yeah, he took a loan about 40 million naira to trade the forex market. Now he's on the live account now. He started trading, made some losses here and there. Overall, he grew the account to 60 million. After I grew the account to 60 million, instead of him to like withdraw some money and keep on trading, this guy wanted to be a hero. And I see this a lot. Even me, I'm a victim of this, trying to be a hero, trading an account and showing the world like, whoa, see the amount I traded this account to from this number, blah blah blah. They were like, damn, this guy is very good. Everybody want that kind of validation in the forex industry. But if you have that kind of mindset, you're going to wound yourself. You're going to scatter yourself. But don't ever try that stuff. So he wanted to be a hero. The account was up 60 million. What was the next thing for him to do? Withdraw and keep on trading, right? This guy went margin, full margin on the account. He reached 60 million on one single trade. Maybe I made some analysis. I'm like, man, this setup, I've seen this setup countless times. It's going to come. That's not how you trade, but you trade with probabilities and a good risk, you know. So he went full margin on the account, 60 million full margin. This guy lost the whole account in one day. 60 million, he lost the whole account in one day. Right now, the guy is on the run. The guy is on the run as of now. He had to relocate his family to somewhere else, and him right now is on the run. Like they're looking for him, they're sending police and stuff like that, trying to know which state this guy is in and stuff. So it's really crazy, man. Like trying to be a hero. That's you. This thing I'm telling you right now. If you check Twitter and you see people post, you're not going to hear this kind of story. There's one forex guru on Twitter. I think his name is Trader Benny. This guy was involved in a scam, but the kind of model he brought, if you see it, it's not going to look like a scam. But when things go wrong, it's going to look like a scam. This guy took money from different people to become a fund manager, trading for them and give them a particular amount of profit at the end of the month or after 2 months. I can't really remember the timeline of payment. This guy lost everybody's money, bro. He lost everybody's money. I don't know of one person that paid him to trade for them and they saw their money back like within 1 month. This guy just lost all the money trying to be a hero, trying to flip these people accounts to have a crazy amount of money for himself. While in the process, the forex market don't care about that. You understand? All these things you will not see it online until someone come out and speak about it. There are some people that have lost money to some big time forex gurus online, but you will not see them coming to talk about it outside and stuff. Because I don't just know the reason. All these things you don't really see them. So people talk about it, but you don't see it online. So these are some of the dark sides of forex that people don't see. More than 90% of the people marketing forex online, claiming to be gurus, claiming to be this, claiming to be that, they are not as profitable as you think. You can see some forex traders with crazy lifestyle and stuff. They have other things giving them money. You're like, wow, man, I want to be like this person, and you buy their course. It's your course that's giving them money. You know, they have other businesses, they have things outside that they don't bring to social media to associate themselves with. But yeah, you don't just see things and you judge that, wow, this is what is giving this person money. Let me tell you this now. Let me tell you this. Forex trading on its own, it cannot make you super rich. If you are coming from a poor background, you have low finance, low capital, and you're trading the financial markets, you cannot be rich from Forex. That's the real truth. Except you are like a 0.7% type of trader. And even if when you make a certain amount of money from Forex, you have to diversify, put money into different things, real estate, investment sector, manufacturing sector to grow your equity. You know, everything in this life is equity. You cannot do anything in this life if you don't have equity to do certain things. So take my advice. Don't try to be a hero. Don't take money from people to trade from them. Just be on your own journey. Stay laser focused and you're going to grow.